Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by importing. Choose add or copy to keep originals intact and build a dedicated catalog for this project. Immediately create a keyword set and folder structure by date or event so you can find files. Rate key picks with 1-5 stars and apply color labels to separate keepers from rejects. Once that's done, flag the top selections for editing and sync metadata so Lightroom remembers choices across devices. This saves time before you move into adjustments. With pics selected, start in the Develop module. Choose a camera profile, then set white balance. Use the eyedropper on neutral areas to remove color cast. Next, balance exposure and contrast, pull down highlights, and open shadows to recover detail. Dial in texture and clarity for mid-tone definition. Once base looks solid, refine with HSL sliders for color separation, and apply local masks or the healing brush for blemishes. Make sure to use the crop and lens corrections before finalizing. For video, import clips into the same catalog, open the Edit panel, and trim to the desired in/out points. Correct exposure and white balance just like a photo and apply a preset or LUT for consistent grading. When ready, choose Export Settings, H. 264 MP4 for web, ProRes for preserve quality, set resolution and bitrate to match delivery needs, then export. If something breaks, clear the cache. Relink any offline files or rebuild previews. That usually resolves playback or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.